Okay, so this is that same meat from yesterday. It's got that fat cap on it. We're gonna remove that. All right, that's all the fat taken off. So this is gonna be for my 50 portions of dumplings. Not the nicest, but it'll get better.
From France?
This is from France.
Yes, sir. Beautiful water from Bonival.
My gosh.
Okay. So what we do, some friend of mine is a partner with the people in like a nice from the Alps.
Yeah.
And if you have the sparkling water, it's more bubbly, more fancy, more like a lot of, comment dirais-je, you can see the bubble.
How long have you been bottling this?
They've been doing that for the past like 3 years and a half,
Wow.
4 years.
Okay.
And now they just bring that to Houston.
Which one do you want me to try first?
First the sparkling.
Sparkling first?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's good sparkling.
Okay.
That's good. It's all about creating a system. I'm right-handed, so I go left to right. You know, like when you read. So that's what I do. I got my little water cup, dump wrappers, and then I just scoop them out so it's easier than to here. Typically, though, with soup dumplings, you want to make your own wrappers because it's a lot harder with these guys. It's different. It's nice and tight.
Yeah.
Tongue-in-cheek tamale. He's gonna sous vide it and then fry off the whole log and then slice it. This is the stuffing right here. This is really smart. Really smart, chef.
Thanks, man.
His closet.
The secret closet.
Man, this is wild.
Yeah, so yeah, the leg off of a 500-pound Tamworth pig from Texas. This has been in here for 18 months now. This is La Sopressata. There's an Iberico pancetta in here.
Yeah.
Iberico loin, and then there's a speck in the back, which is the front leg off of the same thing.
Hell yeah. You all dry aged steaks in these fuckers too?
Not really, just because I have. It's just tough because we don't have a band sauce.
It's a burnt tortilla powder that he made. And you're gonna make a aioli with it?
Yes, sir.
That's gonna be fucking bomb. And here's gonna be the garnish for the ribs. Apple, gochujang, sambal. We'll figure it out. Alright, right here is gonna be the garnish for the rib dish. Nice.
You think if they're floating, it means they're done?
Right now we're in Houston at a restaurant called Garden Grace, and I'm just helping out with this dinner, help make a menu with 2 chefs here, Chef Adam and David. And here's these guys right now. How's it going? Say hi. Hello. And then here's Chef Adam over here.
What's up?
2.5. Grasshoppers.
8 wings, 3 heads.
How's it going, Jeff?
What's up, boss?
Good?
I'm great.
He's on dish number 2. Everybody out there seems really happy. These guys are crushing it. Good, alright. Now we're on to this course right here, the short ribs.
Yeah, they went a little bit low.
Look at these guys. Wow.
Because I was going to put it there with the top.
Oh my
God. Why didn't you take it off?
My Android, man. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Tomatoes. Come on, Kobe. There we go. 1, 2, 3.
Thank y'all so much. Y'all are amazing.
Thank you, bro.
I'm back.
Come back tomorrow?
Oh, that's a monster. Tomorrow. Yeah, thank y'all so much.